Namaskar, welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. Have a look on the headlines. Sadbhavna Divas observed at Rourkela Steel Plant. SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant creates new record by making highest ever number of blows from 2 converters of steel melting shop 2 on a single day. Now the news in detail. SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant joined the rest of the nation in observing Sadbhavna Divas on 28th August. A pledge-taking ceremony was held at CEO's office under the leadership of Mr. Deepak Chatraj, CEO RSP. Similar pledge-taking ceremonies were also held in the offices of Executive Directors of Works, Personnel and Administration and Materials Management under the leadership of Mr. P.K. Das, Mr. Rajveer Singh and Mr. D.K. Mahapatra. The day was also observed at different offices in the plant in which a cross-section of the executives and employees were administered the Sadbhavna Divas pledge. The pledge was taken in Oriya, Hindi and English by employees that they will work for the emotional oneness and harmony of all the people of India regardless of caste, creed, region, religion or language. They further pledge that they shall resolve all differences among themselves through dialogue and constitutional means without resorting to violence. It is to be noted that 28th August, the birth anniversary of late Rajiv Gandhi, former Prime Minister of India, is observed every year as Sadbhavna Divas in the country. The theme of the Divas is to promote national integration and communal harmony among people of all religions, languages and regions. Goodwill towards everyone and eschewing violence is the motto of the Sadbhavna Divas. The Steel Melting Shop 2 department of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant has created a new record by making 73 blows from 2 converters on a single day, which is highest ever since inception. With this outstanding feat achieved on 19th August 2020, it has surpassed the previous best performance of 67 heats made on 8 September 2018. Notably, on 2nd July 2020, RSP had created a national record by making 48 blows in a single converter in a single day. The back-to-back brilliant performances by Rourkela Steel Plant showcase the determination of the collective to take the plant forward on the path of progress and prosperity on the face of the enormous challenges thrown by the corona pandemic. It is worth mentioning here that clocking this high number of blows in a huge challenge as it required swift movement of hot metal, optimal movement algorithm of cranes and ladles, high degrees of communication, man management and adherence to safety protocols. The feat was possible because of perfect coordination and synchronization across the production and services department. Hot metal of requisite quality and quantity was supplied by the blast furnaces, while departments like production planning and coordination (PPC), calcining plant 2, oxygen plant, material recovery department, research and control lab, refractory engineering services, instrumentation and automation, traffic and raw materials, field machinery maintenance and several other service departments worked in tandem and provided timely inputs in a seamless manner. Congratulating the employees of Steel Melting Shop 2 as well as all the supporting units for this splendid performance, Mr. Deepak Chatraj, CEO Rourkela Steel Plant, has said, "The success is a reflection of the sheer commitment and dedication of our colleagues. I am confident that the collective will steer RSP further along the path to reach newer heights of success in the days to come." On behalf of the CEO, bouquet and sweets were presented to Mr. S. Manji, CGM Steel Melting Shop 2 at his office by the Public Relations Department. And with this, we come to the end of this edition of News Bulletin. Namaskar.